Hello guys, and welcome back to my little home hub, and today we're doing something a little bit different. Today I'm actually sharing with you my monthly favourites and just things that have helped me keep more organised and more productive throughout the month. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's jump straight into today's video.
Okay, so one of the focuses this month was to increase my water intake. So I have continued on with my herbal teas in the morning, which is usually about 500 mils. And then I've actually added in the collagen to the 1 litre drink bottle that I have. So usually I have this at work and I sip on it, but I'll be really honest, I am hopeless at getting through the full litre. So adding it to a full litre rather than the 400 mils that's recommended has really helped me get my water intake up, because it literally tastes like cordial, so it goes down really, really well. My nails also have grown, which is hard to see in this video because they actually snapped. I ended up cleaning 6 bathrooms one day and then did gardening the next day, so they have actually snapped since, but they were growing really nicely.
I may have bought every flavour. Yeah. Lucky I'm not married, hey.
Over the last 3 months, I've been doing laser hair removal. So if you're wondering how this makes you more organised and more productive, because you're going to be getting that time back that you will eventually be saving. So yes, you do have to invest some of your time. This honestly takes like 5 minutes, not even, and then it's done. So highly, highly recommend.
Okay, so if you don't want to see my armpits, just go to the next timestamp because I'm going to show you some of the results. I think it's really important to see how it's worked, and if you decide that you want to do it for yourself. But yeah, this is after 3 weeks of not shaving my armpits at all, and after 3 sessions. So just to give you an idea, you need, I think it's 10 to 12 sessions to completely erase the hair. So this is the result there, and you can see where the hair is growing back so much finer. And yeah, basically before I was sort of like shaving once a week, but if I was going out somewhere and wearing like a singlet top like this, I'd definitely be shaving twice a week. My hair grows very thick and black. Yes, I have the perfect hair type for this sort of thing. But yeah, I've been so happy with the results I've had that I'm actually getting my lip done, and I'm going to book in to get my legs done very shortly. So I can tell you, lips haven't had as much of a good result, but I've definitely had a really good result everywhere else.
So one of the products that I've been using this month is this Environ product. It is actually from the Laser Clinic and I absolutely love it. It has vitamin A, C and E in it, and basically I just put it under my foundation every day and just use it to hydrate my skin. It is so good after having a shower as well. I don't have any anti-aging things. I've always just used sunscreen and a bit of a QV, and I still use a QV as well in conjunction with this sometimes. So I'll be really honest, I've been feeling really crappy about my body. As you can see, I love wearing crew neck tops like this, tightly fitted things. So it's not really about the weight, it's more about how I feel in things, and everything has sort of went to the stomach. So I have put on 8 kilos since the pandemic. So I have decided that I was going to do something about this, and I'm going to actually eat a bit more healthier. So I have continued on with my healthy snacks like my boiled eggs and my veggie sticks. And then I've also included in some roast veggie salads because I absolutely love roast veggies, and I've been marinating some chicken. This has been making me feel fuller for longer, which has definitely stopped the snacking. And then for breakfast, I've just been making some quiches as well. So these are cheese-free sort of quiches, just with some leftover veggies that I've got. And yeah, sometimes I add bacon, sometimes I add chicken, sometimes I just do it with roast veggies. I have put this in some of my cooking videos as well in the past if you do want to see. Okay, so this is super embarrassing because, you know, I'm supposed to be this really organised person, but I am the most forgetful person. So lately, I had been forgetting appointments. Yep. People would ring me and say, hey, you were meant to be at this appointment. And I was just simply not showing up. I'd even get the text messages and I would still forget by the end of the day. So what I've ended up doing is I did end up buying this chart to put on my fridge. So that does just help me and remind me each week to do it, even though I hate things being on my fridge, if you know me. So before I scrub off last month's, this is what I absolutely love about it. The fact that I can track my migraines easier because it's just right
in front of me on the fridge so I always remember. And then like when I get my period as well, I can mark it on here. So it just helps me keep more organized on a daily basis because it is in such a convenient spot. The only thing I don't like about this is that it doesn't have like a note section. I feel like it needs to be just that bit longer with a note section, so that way if there's any appointments or anything I need to make for the next month, I can actually write them in the note section, and then I know to include that in next month's calendar.
I did also get a chores chart for Talia, and this is not only to give me some time back and help me with my productivity, but also to hold her accountable for things around the house. Like if she makes a mess, she's got to be the one to clean it up, as well as the fact that she's a very sport child. Pretty much when we go out, she often does get a toy or something. So rather than me just buying her things, this one here, she has to, get all of her things on there to be able to get pocket money. And, this is a way of teaching her about how to save money as well. So if she wants to buy certain things, that she needs to actually save up for it as well. So Talia gets $1 per row that she gets right. I've just taken the chore stickers off. So basically this week she's got $1, $2 and $3 for the week. And I still owe her money from last week. So all the plant watering she'll get $1 for because she did that. And then I owed her money from last week. So she gets $10 all up. This is Talia's money box. I did this little DIY ages ago. It's got spend, save and give, just like the Barefoot Investor. And she's going to show you where are you going to put the money this week. So what do we do with half of our money? I'll give you $5. You're going to put $5 in spending. Okay, here. And then half of it in savings, good girl. What are you saving for? No, don't do charades. She likes to do charades.
House.
A house. She's saving for a house in the savings one. That's very good. She's starting nice and early because we know how expensive houses are going to be. And once her account hits $1,000, I'm actually going to put it into shares for her. And that hopefully will help grow it a little bit. Remember, Mummy gives you little bits and change here and there you can put in your give. And Mummy will split up all your money next week so you can put some more in your give, okay? Good job. High five. So proud of you for saving for your house already. Okay, so as you guys know, I do have my little journal of happiness if you've actually seen my channel before. So I don't necessarily write goals for the month. And if I want to actually do stuff, I'll write more of a to-do list the night before when I know I've got free time and I've got a day off. So that's sort of just how I do it. I used to write goals and stuff like that, but when I didn't actually achieve these goals, I would actually feel really let down, and I don't know, it's just depressing. People might think I'm wasting my time writing down the things I've achieved, but the whole idea is to create momentum and positivity for me to realize I have achieved something and I can do these things, and let's see what else I can get done. So the first achievement was I actually hit my 3,000 subscribers at the start of this month. So that's very exciting. So thank you to anybody who has subscribed, who supports me, or even just watches my channel. That means so much to me, even if you're not subscribed. Okay, the next thing that I achieved, which is another really exciting thing, is I actually created my own home organization product. Basically, I had this idea and I had this product that I wanted, and I was looking for it. I looked on Pinterest, I looked on Etsy, I've looked on YouTube, I've looked on Instagram, I Googled it, I went to pretty much everything that you think of to actually find this product, and I could not find what I wanted. So it is a very niche product. So my question for you guys is, would you prefer something that was in a fridge magnet, or would you prefer something that is like a downloadable printable where you can print it out yourself and it's on paper, and if you really wanted to, you could probably go to a printing shop and get it made as a magnet? Like, what would you guys prefer? I'd love to know, because that's where I'm actually stuck at the moment. So I will need to make a website, all that sort of thing. And if I do go the magnet route, I'm going to have to find a wholesaler to buy some magnets from, and then find someone to print them. So yes, that is one of the things. We did a bit of decluttering around the house. So I did declutter Talia's wardrobe, and I also did mine, which I didn't actually put on my videos or anything like that. And the other thing I did is I just got a trial for Canva Pro. I've just been mucking around with it to schedule posts for Instagram and Facebook, so I can be really active on those. So the idea is basically to schedule out, say, a day every month and just do a heap of posts, and then they just get scheduled. The issue has been I don't know. It doesn't like my Instagram. It's trying to say you need a business account, but I do have a business account, so I don't know what it is. Yeah, I'm not happy about it. I need to go and suss it out more. But yeah, after I reckon it was half a day. It was probably 6 hours mucking around with this thing and just absolutely frustrated reading bits and pieces in, you know, the back thing of Instagram and trying to suss it out. I still can't suss it out. So I don't know when I'll get sussed out. If anyone knows, let me know, because I need to know. And as far as yeah, the goals and stuff goes, usually I always hit four videos a month, and this month I only did 3, and that was because I lost my voice. I actually got really sick. I lost my voice. I got the flu again. So that has been my month for this month. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I know it is a little bit different. If you do want to see more of this sort of stuff, you want to see me do this in another couple of months, I'm more than happy to do it for you. So yes, if you do have any video suggestions, definitely leave them in the description box below, and I will catch up with you guys next week for a new video. I'll see you then. Bye.